Hello everyone. So today I'm here to give an awareness talk on personal hygiene and hand wash. So basically hygiene is a series of practices performed to preserve health. According to World Health Organization, hygiene refers to conditions and practices that help to maintain health and prevent the spread of diseases. Personal hygiene refers to maintaining the body's cleanliness. Many people equate hygiene with cleanliness, but hygiene is a broad term. It is not just restricted to cleanliness. It includes such personal habit choices as how frequently to take a shower bath, or washing hands, trimming nails, and washing clothes. It also includes attention to keeping surfaces in the homes, workplace, including bathroom facilities, clean and pathogen free. So now, being specific, we are going to talk about hand washing. So hand washing is can be also said like wash hand hygiene, or we can instead of going with using of water, we can go with waterless hand sanitizers. Hand hygiene is central to preventing the spread of infectious diseases in home and everyday life settings. So now, being in this COVID situation, we all know that this hand washing has been an important thing. So we are all going with the use of hand sanitizers, sanitizing our hands whenever we touch any foreign material. So that's all just because we are just preventing the spread of the infectious disease. In situations where hand washing with soap is not an option, we can go with a waterless hand sanitizer, such as an alcohol hand gel. Now, like this alcohol hand gel can also be used in addition to hand washing to minimize the risks when caring for at-risk groups. To be effective, alcohol hand gels should contain not less than 60% of volume by volume alcohol. The World Health Organization recommends hand washing with ash is soap is not available in critical situations. Use of ash is common in rural areas of developing countries and has been in experiments and has showed effective results for removing pathogens. So at last, I would like to conclude by saying uh, this hand washing is should be an integral part of our life in order to be healthy. So just keep yourself safe and sound and be healthy. Thank you.